I got my package from Summit. I ordered some parts. My main order was these seat belts here from Morris Classic Concepts. They are a 3-point seat belt, which I'm going to install in the Nova. Oh, there's a connector in here. Oh, there we go. That seemed to cut more carpet than anything. So there's the hole. Now it says in the instructions to use the hardware that came with the seatbelt, so that's exactly what we're going to do. Driver's side. So that's passenger side. Okay. Use a 1/2 by 13 by 1/4 inch bolt. Assuming that's you. A large flat washer. Tighten bolt as shown in figure 1. Good. Well, we got the easy part of the seatbelt installed. The outside parts are installed. However, I can't get the center buckle part, that bolt out. Either side won't budge, and I've made a real mess of the driver's side. So I tried vice grips. I ruined my vice grips on it. So as per Dan Clem's suggestion, I'm going to try and drill it out. So earlier this afternoon when installing the seatbelts, we moved into the center part where the hump is, and to install the buckle part. And I made a real mess out of them because the Torx 50 slipped out and kind of rounded them. Tried my vice grips, ended up ruining my vice grips, tried to drill it, broke some bits. So I went out to Canadian Tire and I got some impact bolt and nut removers. I have another set like this, but it turns out I didn't have the size big enough. So I went out and got the 1/2-inch ones with the bigger sizes. Oh, forget that. Let's get the bad boy on there. No problem. And we'll just chase the hole for good measure. Alright, so we fed the buckle in from the front. I don't really have a cover for the back there because the factory one kind of got destroyed. So I chased the threads. Now I'm gonna never seize these. I don't know if we're supposed to or not, but I ain't taking the chance. So I'm gonna never seize out of them because I can. And so by changing these buckles out, I've also eliminated the middle seat belt for the front, as it is. The rule's also been changed to not allow 3 people at the front. So no sense keeping it. And like that, it's all done. The buckles in the front here, so my seat's all the way forward. So we'll retract the seat back and have a seat in the car, test it out. All right, now for the final test. Seems these are very kind of sensitive, but oh, they work. I feel safer already. Again, Morris classic concept seatbelts, the 3-point retractors, or a 3-point with retractor. That's nice. That fits really well. As you can see, you can look between my gut there. There's the retractor, and how it comes up there. Retractors down there, and it fits well. I'm very happy with these. I actually can't wait. And you know what? Even the shoulder piece is at a nice place. It's not cutting my neck or that yet, but we'll wait and see when I'm driving what it's going to feel like.